All right, so now you can greet people, say goodbye, and even agree or disagree in Brazilian Portuguese. But what happens when you mess up? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. Today, you're going to learn how to say you're sorry, or, in Portuguese, pedindo desculpas. Let's start with the simplest and most important one. If you just want to say sorry, you can say desculpe. Short, simple, and super useful. Now, if you want to sound a bit more polite or formal, you can say Peço desculpas, which means I'm sorry. It's like saying I apologize. Very respectful. But what if you really feel bad about something? Then you can say Sinto muito, which means I'm very sorry. And if you really want to emphasize it, like I feel really bad, just say Sinto muito mesmo, which means I'm really sorry. That little word mesmo adds extra emotion, like you truly mean it. See, now you're ready for those awkward moments too. Whether you bump into someone, make a mistake, or just want to be polite, you've got the perfect expressions. Go ahead, practice saying desculpe or sinto muito mesmo. Before you go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Because next time you make a mistake in Portuguese, you won't panic, you'll apologize like a pro. Agora é com você. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu like e vem aprender comigo. Rápido antes que eu precise dizer desculpe 1000 vezes.